Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a pin or pattern on your Galaxy Watch 7 and other models. Let's get started. Once you are on your Galaxy Watch, swipe down and go to the settings. Scroll down until you find the Security Privacy section and click on it. Here, you'll notice the lock type is currently set to none, and you'll see two options, pattern or pin. I'll choose to create a pin, but you can pick whichever method works best for you. To set the pin, enter a 4-digit code, then tap the arrow icon to confirm. Re-enter the same pin, and this will activate the lock. Let's test it. When you try to access the watch, it will ask for the pin you just set, and press the check mark. This way, the pin is successfully set, and you'll have full access to your watch.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.